Hi there, I'm Brad Berchocki from the product marketing team here at Conga, and welcome to another Learn How to Conga video. Today, I'm stepping into the role of a customer success manager. A new customer's just signed up and it's time to kick off their onboarding journey. In the past, this meant manually creating onboarding plans, chasing down internal teams for updates, and sending out generic welcome emails. Let me show you how Conga transforms this process. Previously, onboarding was a mix of spreadsheets, emails, and disconnected tools. Each customer had unique needs, but tailoring their experience was manual and inconsistent. I'd often miss key milestones or forget to follow up on critical tasks. Now with Conga, I launched the onboarding workflow directly from our CRM, which in this case is Salesforce. It pulls in customer details, contract terms, and purchase products, and then builds a customized onboarding plan based on their industry and goals. The customer receives a branded welcome email with key contacts, timelines, and helpful resources, and everything is automated. But I can jump in anytime to provide updates or support. The result? A consistent high-touch experience that accelerates time to value and strengthens relationships. And that's how easy it is to Conga. Deliver personalized onboarding that accelerates time to value and builds a lasting relationship with your customers. Thanks for watching.